Good morning class 10th. In my previous video, I explained you about the pH indicator, universal pH indicator, importance of pH in everyday life. Now today's topic is salts. Okay. So when we say salt, so you must have think of common salt which you use at your houses in your food. But salt in terms of chemistry is not only that. Salt are basically the compounds which are formed by the reactions between acids and bases. Okay, neutralization reaction which I explained you earlier also. So what has happened when the salt formation take place? A base and a acid reacts, and a cation, that is a positive ion. Positive ion comes from the base, and negative ion, that is an anion, comes from the acid to combine, and that positive ion or negative ion combines to form an ionic compound which is known as salt. Okay, so what happens in neutralization reaction? You already know, when a acid and base react, they form the salt and water. Okay, so one thing you need to know is the cation comes from the base and anion comes from the acid. Now how many types of salt are there? First is acidic salt. Okay, now if I tell you what is first is neutral salt. What is neutral salt actually? Neutral salt are the salt which are produced by the reaction between a strong acid and a strong base. So that means when a strong acid and strong base react, the salt produced, that salt is neutral. Neutral means that it will show 7 number on pH indicator. Okay, just like NaCl. NaCl is the common salt which you use at your houses. Okay, normal. Sodium chloride, there is potassium chloride, is Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. These all are neutral salt because these are formed by the reaction between a strong acid and strong base. Okay, just like NaCl is formed by NaOH plus HCl. Okay, so this is a strong base, this is a strong acid. When they will form the salt NaCl, that salt will be neutral, will give you the 7 value on the pH scale. Next are acidic salt. Acidic salts में क्या होता है? In these type of salt, there present a ionizable H ion along with the another cation. For example, this is acidic salt, sodium hydrogen sulfate. Here you can see that NaOH plus H2HO4 in the first step give you NaHSO4. Here you can see Na is the positive ion and SO4 is the negative ion. But along with this positive ion Na, you have one hydrogen ion as well. ठीक है, so generally जो acidic salt होते हैं, they have the H ion present with another cation and anion. Okay, so these are called the acidic salt. The example is here, sodium hydrogen sulfate. They will since as the name suggests it is acidic in nature, so on the pH scale it will give you a value lower than 7. Okay, pH is less than 7. Next is basic or alkali salts. What are basic salt? Basic salt, this type of salt are formed by the partial neutralization of a strong base via weak acid. Okay, if a strong base reacts with the weak acid, what will happen? The neutralization reaction takes place, that will be a partial neutralization, because I told you what are weak acid. Weak acids are the acids in which the dissociation rate is very low. So if the dissociation rate is low, so the positive ion produced here will not be as much as the negative ion produced here. So जो neutralization होगा, that will be partial neutralization. Okay, so those will be called basic or alkali salt. As it is basic, so it will give you a value greater than 7 on pH scale. Simple. Next are double salt. Double salts are the salt that contain more than one cation or anion. Just like this. This is potassium sodium tartrate. So you have potassium ion as well as sodium ion. Both are positive ion. तो the salts in which there are two positive ion, two cations, or you can say, or two anions you can say, are known as double salt. ठीक है, because there are double cations or double anions. Next is mixed salt. Mixed salts are the salt that consist of the fixed proportion of two salt, often sharing either a common cation or anion. ठीक है, there will be a single cation or an anion but shared by the two salt. So when they two salt combine, so they form the mixed salt. This is the example, bleaching powder, CaOCl2. ठीक है. Now what are the properties of salt? These are the physical properties. Most of the salts are crystalline solid, though they can appear as the powdered form, but they are crystalline. They may appear powdered. ठीक है, most of them. Salt may be transparent or opaque. Most salts are soluble in water. जितने भी mostly salts हैं, they all are soluble in water. ठीक है. And the solution of the salts conduct electricity. Obviously it is an ionic compound, basically a cation and an anion forms the salt, so they will conduct electricity. That means the ionization took place when you pass the electricity in it. The salt may be salty, sour, sweet, bitter and savory in taste. If I am saying it is a salt, that does not mean it will taste salty. ठीक है, only the common salt you use at home, NaCl, it is salty, but some other salt can be sour, sweet, bitter in taste. Okay. Neutral salts are odorless. There is no smell, that means. ठीक है. Salts can be colorless or colored. ठीक है. These are some physical properties of it. Now next is some important compounds. This is all about the salts. Now some important compound. First is common salt. Salt compound है. Sodium chloride is known as common salt, represented by sodium chloride, NaCl. It is a neutral salt and it has a pH scale 7. It is used to enhance the taste of food. Uses हो गए common salt के. It also used in manufacturing of many other chemical as well. Next is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH, is a base, strong base. That is also a chemical compound. इसके बारे में आप पढ़िए थोड़ा सा. Sodium hydroxide is formed by, see, sodium hydroxide is a strong base. When electricity passes through an aqueous solution of NaCl, it decomposes to form NaOH. ठीक है, NaCl you have, there is water, aqueous solution. When you pass the electricity, what will happen? Ionization took place. Here the positive ion, here negative ion, here positive ion and negative ion. Now what will happen? This positive ion will combine with this negative ion, forms NaOH, and chlorine gas will be released and hydrogen gas will be released. So chlorine is a negative compound, negative ion. So chlorine gas will be released at the positive terminal, that is anode, and hydrogen gas, hydrogen ion is a positive ion, so hydrogen gas will be released at the negative terminal. Negative terminal is known as cathode. ठीक है, this process is known as chlor-alkali process. Okay, ठीक है. Now what is the product, uses of the product after this process? So three products we have, NaOH, chlorine and hydrogen. So with hydrogen which you get after this process is used as fuel, manganese in making ammonia for fertilizer. ठीक है, so also used as fuel and also used for making ammonia, and ammonia used for fertilizers. Chlorine gas, which is obtained here in this process, chlor-alkali process, in used in water treatment. Obviously you know that water can be purified by using chlorine in it, and manufacturing of PVCs, CFCs, pesticides, etc. This Cl2 gas is also used for manufacturing of bleaching powder. Next, NaOH, the main product. It is used for degreasing of metals, manufacturing of paper, soap, detergent, bleach, artificial fibers, etc. Okay. Now next is bleaching powder. Next compound is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder formula is CaOCl2. It is a it is produced by action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. This is a slaked lime. Dry slaked lime we will take, and aqueous solution we have taken here. Now what have happened? You will pass chlorine into this solution. What will happen? Water will be obtained, and bleaching powder is formed. Bleaching powder is also called chloride of lime. Okay. It is basic in nature. Just now I told you basic salt or mixed salt it is, and it also is basic in nature. Okay. Uses of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, you know that it's used in bleaching means decoloration करना किसी चीज का, तो bleaching powder use होता है cotton textile industry में, wood pulp in paper industry. What will happen? They will decolor the substance, and then you can color that substance according to your need. For bleaching washed clothes in laundry, washing clothes in laundry. ठीक है. Bleaching powder is used as a disinfect to clean water. It acts as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industry. So this is all about for today. Salt. What are salt? Positive ion come from the base. Positive ion come from the base and negative ion come from the acid. Then neutralization took place and the product form is called salt. Type of salt: acidic salt, basic salt, double salt, mixed salt, and neutral salt. Properties of salt. Then you studied some important chemical compounds. First, common salt, then sodium hydroxide you studied about, then bleaching powder. There are 2 or 3 more compound in which about which I will tell you in my next lecture. Okay, so thank you for today.